Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dissect the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed buying decisions.
Today, we're diving into the world of automated cleaning with the iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus. The Roomba Combo J9 Plus is the epitome of convenience when it comes to keeping your home clean. Let's start with its design. Sporting a sleek, all-black plastic casing with a gunmetal disc at the center, this Roomba exudes modernity. But what sets it apart is its unique mop placement. Unlike traditional robot vacuums, the J9 Plus features a retractable mop pad that folds down from the top, eliminating the risk of it wetting your carpets. And trust me, this mop isn't just for show. It's equipped with smart scrubbing technology that tackles even the toughest messes with ease. Operating the Roomba is a breeze thanks to its intuitive controls. With just a press of a button, you can start or pause the cleaning cycle, or send the Roomba back to its charging dock. The charging dock. Not only does it serve as a stylish home for your Roomba, but it also doubles as a self-emptying bin and water refiller. But perhaps the most impressive feature of the Roomba Combo J9 Plus is its app compatibility. With the iRobot app, you can schedule cleanings, set up no-go zones, and even monitor the health of your Roomba right from your smartphone. Now, let's talk performance. With 100% more suction power than previous models, the Roomba Combo J9 Plus leaves no dirt or debris behind. Its smart scrubbing technology ensures a thorough clean every time, while its advanced object detection means it can navigate around obstacles with ease. And remember that retractable mop pad? It's a game changer for anyone with hard floors. Plus, with its self-recharging capabilities, the Roomba Combo J9 Plus can clean your entire home without missing a beat. Highlight of the day. So, should you invest in the iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus? Drop your answers in the comments. If you're looking for a hassle-free cleaning solution that delivers top-notch performance, then absolutely. Thanks for watching Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on the latest tech.
Until next time, happy cleaning!